Today we're going to learn about functions in C. Okay, so first let's include stdio.h, and then we're gonna write int main. Let's just write printf hello world for some reason. Okay, so now let's run it. Make func real and /func real. So it runs it and says hello world. Let me just have the /n here so I can create a new line. Okay, it works. So instead of if we want to write print hello world many times, well, we could just use a loop, but we could turn the print hello world into a function. So to create a function, write void, and then the name of the function. So let's call it hello. And then we're gonna discuss what these brackets are for later. Then we use this for the contents of the function. Here I'm gonna put print of hello world. So now instead of writing print of hello world 3 times, we can just write hello 3 times. Hello world, hello world, hello world. So it still does the same thing, except that it's more concise. Anyways, you can also put functions on the bottom, but it's not really gonna work. You have to declare the function here. So void hello, and so now it works. Okay, so let's just put it back to the top. So functions can have these things called arguments. So that's what those brackets are for. So let's say hello name. So string name. I'm going to include string.h for this. Anyway, so now char name. This char, whatever this is, it means string. Basically, a string is many characters. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's supposed to be like this. Anyways, I'm gonna say print hello. Here I'm gonna put S for string. And here I'm gonna put name over here. So if I write hello, or write something there, it's gonna work. So we can have multiple arguments. So let's say we have a function called add. It's gonna have int num1, comma int num2. So we'll say int sum is equal to num1 plus num2, and yeah. So we'll say printf sum. Okay, I'm gonna use this integer thing over here, comma sum. I'm gonna add /n as well. So here, if I write sum 5, 10, and I run it, oh yeah, this is supposed to be add 5, 10. So now we're gonna end up with the answer 15. So anyways, but instead of having it print the value, what if you want to do more operations on the value, like if you want to add the sum of something, that won't be possible since all add does is print it. It doesn't actually return any value. So we can do this. You can fix this with return. So return sum instead of printing sum. We're gonna say int n is equal to add 5, 10. This is and here. So I'm gonna put printf. I'm gonna use the integer thing here. It's gonna print N. So yeah, because the return value is an integer. So instead of writing void over here, we're supposed to change it to int. So because it returns an integer, that's why this thing is int main. It returns integers. Like if we put, give example just about slash n here, so that the program works. If we put a return 0 in the middle of here, it's gonna terminate the program. If we try to return characters or something, well, it's still gonna terminate the program. But I mean, it's just meant to return integers placed in the function. So yeah. Anyways, so now let's combine this with for loops. For int I is equal to 0. For I is less than let's say 10, and I plus plus, and int sum is equal to add I comma I times I. And so now I'm just gonna copy this print function. So int sum over here. 0, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56, 72, 90. Alright, so let's make a square function. Int square. Int num. We're gonna say int sq is equal to num times num. Return sq. So instead of writing I times I, we can just use square I. So if we run it, it's still gonna return the same thing. But yeah, instead of doing slash n, let's just put a space over here. And then after it finishes, I'm gonna print the slash n. Anyways, so that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.